not much of preparation. So much preparation I didn't even send myself to Central kasi I feel like I don't have the means to do it. So yeah, I am waiting for my ride and I'm going to my designated school. So guys, I also brought Sharpie and eraser that I needed too. So yeah, may pero I don't know if it will be allowed by my doctor later on. Hi, good morning. I'm now at MCU. Dilim. Yeah, nakapasok na ako ng university. At Manila Central University, and I'm looking for my building. And grabe ang dating dito. Pero mamaya hindi niya alaw yung cellphones. I'm still wearing my jacket. Hi. Here now at MCU. So hi guys, good morning. Andito ako sa likod ng gym ng MCU. At lumayo ako sa mga ang dami nila, marami sila sa loob. Ayan, dito yung building ko mamaya. Marami ng tao. It's 4:53.